Hi everyone, it's Heidi and it's time for Tip Tuesday with essential oils, and I wanted to let you know about something new that I learned this week. You probably all know about Thieves Cleaner, but just in case you haven't heard yet, it is a really cool plant-based cleaner by Young Living, and the way I use it is you take just a cap full, like this, one cap, costs 38 cents. Put it in a spray bottle, nice big huge spray bottle, and I clean everything in my house with it. Bathrooms, oven, kitchen, walls, the whole thing. All of that for 38 cents. I can go for months. And so I thought, well, I've found all the ways you can use Thieves Cleaner, but actually I found another one. So I don't like dry cleaning. I don't like having to use all those chemicals and all that kind of thing. And so I'm too cheap to take it to the dry cleaner, so I use those dryer bags and everything. And so in the dryer bags, you get those packets, you open them up, and this is liquid, and then this is the thing that you put in with your sweaters and stuff like that. And I like to get wool sweaters and things like that because I'm always cold, and so that's why I have to use the dryers or the dry cleaning stuff. So I've had these things and I've used them for years, and they don't really smell like chemicals too much anymore. So what I was doing, I was kind of just wetting them when I would use them and just trying to keep the chemical smell down. And so this week I thought, well, hey, why don't I use Thieves Cleaner, because I can just spray it right on there. So that's what I did. I sprayed some Thieves Cleaner on these dry cloths that I've had for a really long time, and then I stuck that in my bag because I know Thieves is really good at getting rid of smells and taking care of the maybe some things in there that you don't want in there, bacteria or whatever. And so this way the Thieves Cleaner is getting used. I know my stuff is getting clean and I'm not using a lot of chemicals. So I hope you guys can use that for your house if you guys do any kind of dry cleaning type stuff at home. And I hope that was helpful, and I'll talk to you guys next time.